We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. We're so motivated to hear from such happy customers. We work with each client individually to reach our 5-star customer service goal. Our approach really is one customer at a time. It's that simple. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away a very satisfied customer. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're only one call away from serving you.